So those of you that were around last year, you'll know that I made a video and I was talking about the changes to this channel. And I've even talked about in follow-up videos that this channel is going to be more about living your dreams and less about off-grid living. And I think most people have been pretty receptive to the idea. It's not getting me any new viewers, which I totally expected, because the YouTube algorithm just doesn't understand what this channel is about. So, but I did promise last year that when, last year what I did was I experimented to see how lawnmower repair videos would do on this channel. So I let you know that's what I was going to do. And, you know, I guess it was about in June time. So I put an advertisement in Facebook and people started bringing me their lawnmowers. Made videos. And what I also did last year was I bought and sold, flipped, I guess is the best way to put it, lawnmowers to keep busy. But this year we made more money than we did last year, and I didn't flip any lawnmowers. So that all the money we made this year was just from repairing lawnmowers. And we've done a really good, the growth was substantial, I should say. So I'm really happy with the way it's going. And, you know, I don't know what I can say about off-grid. I know what's going on. The off-grid channels have, if you really watch them, have really turned into fear-mongering channels. And I didn't follow that path. I started to, and it worked a little bit and didn't work. And I thought, you know what, I'm just not even going to, I just didn't want to do it that way. So I really didn't know which direction to go with this channel. So what I've decided to do is just keep the audience that I currently have happy. And, you know, make these daily videos. And I think the biggest problem is my audience is elderly, is the best way to put it. Old to elderly. I can say old because I'm the same age as, you know, I think it's 55 and up is what my primary audience is. Now, I know I'm going to say that and somebody say, well, I'm 18. I know there's a few, but really not that many. Especially consistent viewers. So, I'm going to continue to make that video, but these videos for them, but they are dying, and it's obvious they're dying, and you know, I don't expect growth on this channel anymore. I'm pretty satisfied with where it's at, and we'll just, I know it's dead, and the reason it's dead is this channel always did well when people thought the end of the world was coming. But as soon as the new president got elected, and I know somebody's going to say, "Ah, you just," and they're going to go off on me that you know, I'm a big, you know, supporter of the new president, and that's not what I'm trying to say here. I'm just saying, as a result of the new president being in office, views have dropped because people are not afraid anymore. So, in January, knowing that this was going to happen, I mean, I've been on YouTube long enough to know what the trend's going to be. I mean, you got to remember, during the when everybody was having to wear the mask, I don't know if I can say that word on YouTube or not anymore. I have no idea. But when everybody had to wear the mask, my channel just exploded. I mean, it just exploded. And then when everybody went back to work, and it died back down. So I had to figure out something else to do. And I wasn't sure if I was going to convert this channel into a lawnmower channel or just start a new channel. So in January, I decided that I was going to start a lawnmower repair channel. And actually, I really appreciate everybody's help. You all helped out a lot. You went over there, you watched my videos every time I posted. I was posting twice a week so I could get monetized before May. And I did. And I really do thank you. You guys were playing the playlist. And most of those videos were repeat videos. I was taking them off this channel and putting them on over that channel just so I could get it going before May. And I think everybody understood what I was doing. Everybody was supportive. People were playing the entire playlist while they were asleep. And before you knew it, the channel had 4,000 hours, plenty of subscribers. And well, it did slow down when I got monetized. I expected that. Again, I appreciate everybody's help. But people stopped playing the playlist, which was fine. I knew what to happen. But the channel is performing exactly like I expected it to. Unlike this channel. This channel has no pattern and no rhyme or reason. Some videos do well for no logical sense, and other channel videos do just poor, and I'm thinking, well, that channel video should have done well. Makes no sense. Over on the other channel, I actually have kind of an idea, just a little bit, which videos are going to do well and which videos aren't. For example, the repairs to riding mowers always does really well in comparison to, say, repairing a weed eater. And I'm not going to stop repairing weed eaters simply because those videos still get views, but not everybody is interested in that. Now, the other thing with that new channel is it has evergreen, that's what they call it, evergreen videos, which means they'll go on forever. And the reason is because unless technology changes or something, people are always going to know how to adjust the valves or change a carburetor or clean a carburetor or, you know, fix a tire, whatever. Those aren't going to go away. But when you talk about off-grid, those really aren't that evergreen. They don't last very long. You know, new solar panels come out and all of a sudden the old solar panel videos don't work anymore, and well, I'm not going to go upgrade solar panels simply so I can make a video, which some off-grid channels actually do. So again, this video channel is just going to be about living your dreams. And I think I explained that last year, and I think everybody kind of understood. So again, I really appreciate everybody's help. So Dad and I were talking. I knew the videos on that other channel, the new channel, were going to trend down. You know, last month, August and September, I knew they were, and they did. Pretty significantly, actually. And what I didn't know, not that I am confused or upset about it or anything, was whether the channel subscribers, this channel subscribers, that are supporting me on the other channel, would continue to watch in August and September. And what I noticed was that no, they didn't. Which, again, I'm not upset about. It's fine, no big deal. But I'm curious as to why, so I can make sure that I don't mess that channel up. I don't want to mess it up. I want to do it right every time. So I've been doing things like short videos. I've been trying to figure out if I can do a live feed, just different things to keep it kind of up in the wintertime. But I did reduce the amount of videos that I'm producing each week. I was going at 2 videos a week, and then August 1st I went to 1 video a week. And you know, of course, views dropped then, but I wasn't talking about drops, overall views. I was talking about individual video views have dropped. So, Dad and I were talking today about the other channel. Now, Dad has he's just stickler about routine. He loves routine. So, I asked him, I said, I'm not going to be upset if you say you're not watching them. I'm just curious, so don't think I'm trying to force you to watch videos you don't want to watch. But are you still watching videos on my new channel? He says, yeah, every week, because I produce 1 a week. And he says, on this channel, I watch every day. What he does is every morning he gets out of bed and he checks his YouTube videos and he makes sure that he watches all of them. I mean, it's not just my channel. He has other channels he likes to watch. And when they make a video, he watches it. You know, I guess he gets up at 6 and he starts watching videos. So he says, the one thing I've noticed about the other channel, my other channel, the Shade Tree Lawnmower Mechanic channel, is they don't recommend new videos to him, which I'm going to start paying attention to because I don't think they're recommending them to me either. I always hit the notification, and I'm going to start looking for the recommendation instead of the notification. So he's wondering why they're not recommending my videos to him, because he watches every video that's produced. Every Monday, he gets up right after I produce it or release it, and he watches it. So, you know, we're trying to figure this out. And so what I realize is YouTube has decided that this is the off season. That aggravates me because YouTube says very clearly, YouTube will promote videos that are being watched. So if I release a video and my audience decides to watch it, they will promote it. Well, I know, I mean, I've always felt it, that is just not a true statement. They will promote videos that they want to promote to my audience. And then if my audience responds well to it, then they will push it out even further. But if they don't respond well to it, then they don't promote it anymore. But it's only videos they want to promote and during the season. And the reason I know this is because this channel always does better after August. Always. Has done that for the last 8 years, well, almost 9 years now. Every August, things start to pick up a little bit. Now, this channel has, like I said, I'm not doing off-grid or anything specific anymore. So even though the increase is slight, it's still an increase over July. So I know that I always felt it that YouTube was not telling the truth. Why would people just start watching in August and not January, February, March, April, May, June, July? Why? I didn't understand it. But here we have, because this other channel is so much easier to track information. On this other channel, Dad says, I'm not getting recommendations. He says, I get up every morning, I see your little house off-grid video, and every Monday, I don't see the other channel's video. So I have to go search for it, get in my subscription list and look for it. So I suspect that is happening to a lot of people who are over on that other channel and want to watch videos over on my other channel, but don't realize they're being uploaded every Monday, 5 a.m. my time. So I bet they don't know, because YouTube has decided that they're just not going to promote the video in the off season. Even to viewers who are faithfully watching them, like my father. And I know he's watching them. I mean, I absolutely know it. There's no reason for him not to. He just enjoys watching me make videos. I don't know why. I think it's I'm going to be honest, a little weird, but okay. If he you know, we don't get to see each other very often. He lives elsewhere. So, you know, he likes to watch these videos. I'm sure if well, actually, you know, now I've mentioned it, my daughter makes videos, so when she releases videos, which isn't very often anymore, I watch every one that she makes. So I was hoping I could ask you guys to do me a favor. I want to see if we can bump up the algorithm a little bit. And if you could help me, just go over to that other channel. And you don't have to watch a specific video. You can watch one that you want to watch. If you want to watch a riding mower repair video, by all means, click that. If you want to watch a weed eater video, watch that. That's fine. Whatever you want to watch, just go over there and tell the algorithm, hey, we're still interested in watching these videos. And I really would appreciate it. And see if we can get the algorithm to trigger, somehow or another, so they'll start releasing the video to people who actually want to watch it. Like my dad, who wants to watch it. He watches every video, but they don't recommend it to him. He's got to go search for it. So I really appreciate it, and it's more of an experiment than anything. Yes, I know I'm begging you for views, and I apologize for that. But I really want to find out if YouTube is telling the truth for sure, which I'm almost 90% positive now that they are lying, and I don't understand why. You know, they say the algorithm isn't making decisions. The people are making decisions that tell the algorithm what they want to watch. So if a person is not watching my videos, let's say YouTube recommends my videos 3 times to an individual, and 3 times that individual doesn't watch that video anymore, they will stop recommending it to that video or to that person. But if a person is watching every video, why are they not recommending it to them? So that tells me this is no longer a person's choice. This is the algorithm's choice, which is a lie, because they say the algorithm doesn't make decisions like that. It makes decisions based on people's behavior. So if they watch your video every week, they should be getting a recommendation every week. So it's not. They don't want to spam people. I know what it is. They don't want to spam people in the off season. When lawnmower season comes. And the thing is if you go over to, what is that? There is a website that tracks people's views on YouTube. Forget what it's called. But anyway, if you go over there, you can go to every lawnmower mechanic channel, every one, and you will see it every May. It goes way up. I mean, just huge, like a hockey stick. The views go way up. And then in June, they just drop right off. And I just don't think that is a result of human behavior. There's got to be algorithm manipulation a little bit. So, which is fine, because like I said, these videos are evergreen, so it's not a waste. Here on this channel, I make a video every day. It goes for a couple days and then it stops. Where these videos on this channel, even the new one, will still get views every now and then. So I really appreciate it if you go check it out. So anyway, this up next box will take you over to that video that I released last Monday. This is Sunday. So, you know, the next tomorrow, Monday, will be a new video if you want to check that one out. And if you are checking out new videos, click the hype button down there at the bottom, and you get 3 tries. You can put all 3 hypes on it. I'd really appreciate that too, but that's just a favor for me. But anyway, if you'll click this up next box, take you to channel this week's video over there. So if I can inspire you to investigate so you can live your dreams. Thanks for watching.